Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2018 Ford F250. Got a call from a customer and they said all of a sudden it sounded like maybe there was a jet engine behind their truck. It was really making a lot of noise from the rear end. They weren't quite sure what was going on, but they really were interested in having to take a look at it because they were starting to feel uncomfortable driving the vehicle. It's a service vehicle, as you can see from the service box here. Gets a lot of miles on it from what the gentleman does for a living. Pulled it in, and it was definitely making a lot of really crazy noises coming from the back. Pulled the rear differential cover off to take a look at the ring and pinion gear and the bearings in there, and actually, to our surprise, there was no fluid in there. As you can see from the pictures, with having no fluid in the rear differential, it really did a number on the ring and pinion gear and the bearings in the back. There was all kinds of metal in that differential. We talked to the customer and we advised them that we thought the easiest, quickest replacement for it would be to find a whole used rear axle assembly. We were able to locate one with some relatively low miles on it. Got it stuck back in the truck. Got it filled with fluid, took it for a drive, everything was working as it should. At 3D Auto, we do know people that need their vehicles for work, whether you are in the service industry or just need to get back and forth to work. It's imperative to get a repair done as quickly as possible so we can get you back on the road. So if you have a vehicle that's making some strange noises and you're not quite sure where it's coming from, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free estimates. Thanks for watching. Please share this video so other people can get this information.